Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video. I wouldn't say this one's terrible, but like it's not a good video either. I actually got my first check engine light on the 330, and I'm pretty sure I diagnosed the problem already, but we're gonna get into it. So if you're new, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna get into this video. All right guys, so I'm in the car now. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and show you guys that I have the check engine light. So as you see, like instant check engine light when I start it up. Like it's great. Like it's kind of weird. I think I figured it out, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I think it is in a minute. And also it's kind of relatable to what the code's throwing, so I believe that's the problem. So like when you go to vehicle status, it says everything is good. So like check control, everything's good. And if you also go to service, everything's good. So it kind of leaves me like, oh, what's going on? You know what I mean? But I think I figured it out. And in the next clip, I'll go ahead and throw up the code on the screen, a screenshot of it. And then I'll kind of show you guys where the problem is. And yeah. All right guys, so I think I figured it out. So if you follow this O2 sensor right here that goes into the downpipe, as you can kind of see, it got ripped. So I guess I didn't route it properly. And as you can see, there's a little tear, and I don't know how far that tear goes down. So what I'm thinking is we're gonna have to order a new O2 sensor, at least a bottom mounted one. But it's kind of weird because I thought once you deactivated cell, your O2 sensors weren't active. So I'm actually talking to the boot mode support chat right now to see like a fix for this, because honestly I don't see why it threw a code if they're not supposed to be active. So maybe I have something turned on I'm not supposed to, but I believe that's our problem. And then I'll throw up the codes it was throwing on the screen right here, so I could kind of show you guys why I think this is the problem, because it's completely related to what the codes that popped up are showing. Another thing, if you just drove your car, make sure you're wearing a glove, or like be super careful, because all of this is hot and like you don't want to burn your fingers. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and look up the code on Google and see what pops up. So this is what pops up. So it says O2 sensor fault, post catalytic converter, electrical defect is present, could be a damaged O2 sensor or pinched wiring harness. So I checked the harness and the O2 sensor as I showed you guys before, and you could clearly see it was pinched, and this is why I think that is the issue. So what I'm gonna do is wait for boot mode support to get back to me, and hopefully in the next video I'll have an answer for you guys. All right guys, so I give the car a break and I started it back up, and now the light's gone. So that's a good thing. I mean, I'm still gonna probably replace the O2 sensor and see what they say when they get back to me, but I'm pretty sure I fixed the issue by pulling the wire up a little bit off of the downpipe, but it's gonna heat up again and probably finish ripping. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update that the light did go away on its own. All right everybody, that's gonna do it for this video. It's a very simple fix, in my opinion. I think it just needs a new O2 sensor, and that's honestly my fault because I had ran the wire wrong when putting the downpipe on and plugging everything back in. So when you're putting your downpipe on, just make sure you run everything right, and then it's where it won't touch the O2 sensor at all, because basically what it's looking like is what happened is the wire's rubbing on the actual O2 sensor, and when the downpipe heats up, it's pretty much just burning the wire, and what happened is mine burned all the way through. So now I need a new O2 sensor. If you guys have experienced this problem, leave a comment down below, but I hope not. It's a very simple problem. The car's still running fine. I'm still driving it 45 minutes to school. So yeah, if you're new to this channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll give you guys an update hopefully in the next video or the one after that. And I'm out.